Hello, welcome to TMD Motorhomes here in Withall, and today we recognise that not all twins are identical, such as these two amazing Elddis Sorrento 150 motorhomes. As you can see, this one's been finished in grey paintwork, whereas this one's got silver paintwork. This one's an automatic, whereas that one is a manual. This one's on the Fiat, and this one's on Peugeot. Well, don't take my word for it, have a look, tell us what you think in the comments below.
If we were never aligned, is that okay? I shouldn't be yours if it means changing who I am to get us through. You shouldn't be mine because you're you. I've had enough, yeah, I've had enough. Say you've had enough. We wanted love, but close is not enough. Say you've had enough. Yeah, I gave it time and you really tried, but you say.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out the other videos across social media.